recently said that the Biden administration and congressional Democrats had taken the eye off the ball when it came to testing and that Americans were frustrated. How would you compare the Trump administration's approach to COVID versus the Biden administration's?
Well, obviously, I think they started at two different places. Obviously, we knew nothing about COVID and what it could do from a health standpoint or an economic standpoint or an isolation standpoint. And so every day was a learning experience with the Trump administration. They moved quickly. Congress did in a bipartisan way to address COVID, both from the healthcare standpoint and in helping save jobs in local businesses. I think that, frankly, those two bipartisan bills were the high point of working together on this. 2021 saw a different approach. It was a go it alone approach, and the nearly $2 trillion COVID stimulus had very little money devoted really to the pandemic. I think the president took his eye off the ball, got distracted from this health pandemic and wasn't prepared for what we knew would be variants. What we didn't know was what they would look like, how severe they would be, or how it would affect those of us who are vaccinated. And so I think the president's been terribly slow in reacting, certainly not addressing the issues, whether they're the mononuclear bodies or the testing supplies for the country right now. He's scrambling to try to make up some ground there, but I don't think he's handled it well at all. And now I think the public's worried about what's coming next. If you can't handle what turned out to be a less severe but quickly moving variant, will we be prepared, or will the president be prepared when another one comes along?